Are you washing your hands? Taking a phone call?
Hi. Hi there. Hi. What time is?
Are you calling for Thomas?
It's Tyler.
Is,
Tyler.
is Tom there?
Tyler. Tyler.
Oh, you're talking about the panda bear in your picture, yeah.
Tyler.
Panda bear.
The pyramid.
Panda bear?
Bala, flying. Bala flying.
He is flying.
Bala.
He has an umbrella and he's flying with it.
It's Cyber.
Panda bear. Did they answer? Did Thomas ever come to the phone?
Hi, sir. It's Ali. Yeah, Ali is cool. Ali is cool. What is that?
I don't know. It's the real phone. Let me go get it.